ladies and gentlemen, I have the solution to all of your problems. Now, did you receive a gift for Christmas that is completely useless? Are you sick of having no money whenever you open up your wallet? What is this? I have a note in my wallet to remind me how broke I am. What does it say? Ladies and gentlemen, it says liabilities. Now, are you sick of hearing broke whenever you walk into your house? Are you sick of smelling broke? Are you sick of recording videos in your sister's room who's 21 and still has Disney characters? Do you wish to close business deals in Paris while having lunch? Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to be part of the top 0.0001%? Do you wish to purchase it is whatever that you want? Do you wish you could do this while listening to music, but you can't because of the wires? Ladies and gentlemen, because of the wire. Okay, I want to get rid of this broke mentality, ladies and gentlemen, and I have the solution to all of your problems. Now, all you need to do is follow the steps that I will lay out for you, and I guarantee you will be part of the top 0.00001%. You will be closing business deals in whatever country you would like to close business deals in, ladies and gentlemen. You will have your own room, which I probably should already have, but it's fine. Ladies and gentlemen, just follow these key steps and I will lay it out for you, and you will also not have a broke mentality anymore. So come along while I open the doors to wisdom and love. Here is all that you need. All you need, ladies and gentlemen, is Apple headphones. All you need is contact solution. Don't ask any questions, you will see what it's for. And you need scissors, and that is about it. Also, you will need the will to not be a broke boy anymore, because ladies and gentlemen, it is time that we take over the 0.0001% and we become legends. Make sure you follow along for these very few steps, and I will show you how it is that I will convert you into a rich person. You will not be broke any longer after this video, so just follow along with these few steps and we're good from there. Okay, step 1, get your Apple headphones, lay them across the table as so. Step 2 is to get your contact solution, okay, and lube up your headphones. Alright, so see I missed there, it's okay, just rub them in. Now our headphones are lubricated. Please do this carefully, okay? Make sure that you take your time, because this is where everything can go south. So take these scissors as so. Now before we utilize the scissors, we will make sure that we do a prayer, because this is the last time you're using these scissors as a broke boy. So all we do is, may the Lord have faith in you as you turn me into one of the richest human beings on this planet. And that is it. The prayer is done. Now, ladies and gentlemen, comes the step you've all been waiting for. How do I turn these into AirPods? Well, all you gotta do is you take your headphones, and right here, ladies and gentlemen, we are just going to casually, just down here, ladies and gentlemen, just take the headphones and right there. We're going to snip away at them, and as you see, there is a slight outhang from the wire, and we will fix this. So all you've got to do, ladies and gentlemen, is make sure you get rid of this excess wire over here. Now this may take a few minutes, you know, getting rid of this excess the wires, but I assure you it is worth it. So make sure you do that, and I will come back to you when it is done. As you can see, the very first AirPod has been complete. Now we move on to the second one. So same process. It has been lubricated. Make sure you create some tension there. Come in here, and all you gotta do is snip at the wire. And there we go. We now have, let me just clean it up slightly. And by following that process, what you'll notice is we now have the Apple AirPods. time to try them on. It's time to become a rich boy. Oh my god, we're just... It worked! It worked! Elon Musk? Let me just... Hello? Yeah. You want to give me Tesla? You know what? I'm gonna have to think about that. I'll call you back, eh? Yeah, make sure next time you talk to my secretary though. Don't come straight to me. You know, I'm a busy person. I have business meetings to be making. Yeah. Okay, alright. This is what happens. These come in now. Elon. Come on, Jeff Bezos. Come on, man. Yeah, Jeff. You want to give me Amazon too? All right. I just got off the phone with Elon. How much you offering me? How much you gonna give me to take Amazon off your hands? How much you gonna pay me? 64 billion. Is that worth my time? Jeff, think about this. We talked about this. Is that worth my time? Is that $64 billion you're gonna give me worth my time? Jeff, I have AirPods now, Jeff. I have AirPods now. No, Jeff, you're not here. Yeah, I have AirPods, yeah. Yeah, you should be sorry, yeah. Jeff, you should be sorry. It's okay. I'll accept your apology. Just don't make that mistake again. Don't call me, okay, if I have my AirPods on, alright? I will call you if I need you, Jeff. I said the same thing to Elon. Come on, these are rookie mistakes, Jeff. When you've been in the game as long, Jeff, I'll call you back if I want the money. If I don't want the money, it's fine. It's not worth my time, Jeff. I'll call you back, yeah. Like, I'm telling you, these bad boys, they're legit. I got AirPods and now look at me. I'm stunting on them. I'm not a broke boy. Jeff wants my attention. Elon wants my attention. What's next? These bad boys, they actually work. Look, they don't fall out. You know what I'm saying? I can listen to music. You know what I'm saying? They work. They work. Do it. Please. Do it. Subscribe and do it. Who would have believed it? It actually works. Well, I can't be seated at one place anymore. You know, I gotta make business moves. I gotta keep the blood flow circulating to my legs, to my head. Sorry about that. It's just... It's a different feeling. You know? I'm part of the 0.01%. I think if you guys want to join me, you might want to try it out because it's a weird feeling. I smell like $1 billion. You know what I'm saying? I don't smell broke. I can't hear broke. So I guess I'm not talking to anyone for the next few years unless it's about business moves. You know, I could barely hear Elon and Jeff over the phone. They gotta go straight to my secretaries. I don't know why they're coming for me, but you know what I'm saying? Right here, these bad boys right here, they change your lives. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Leave a comment. Let me know the business moves you're making now that we're going to 2019. I want to hear how you guys are doing with these new AirPods. How rich you guys are. With that, I will leave you guys until the next video. That is, if I stay on this YouTube channel. I might just buy YouTube at this point. So subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and I will see you guys